All right, look at this combination I just got. All right, this holiday decor that you want to set up in front of your lawn. Look at this. Merry Christmas. Have a very Merry Christmas, all right? So this is a two-part. Stakes go on the ground, stakes go on the actual top. And it has a hanging area too, so you don't have to put it directly to the ground too, but unlike this is beautiful little a reindeer that you see in here. I can't wait to see it. Now we are gonna put on the stakes on the ground and put them at night, so we could decor our Christmas jolly holiday house. Let's put it together. All right, we are in the dark area putting some Christmas lights, and I'm surrounding him. Little beautiful design. It says Merry Christmas. Very simple to set up. For your Christmas decorations, this is perfect. Indoors, outdoors, you could hang this. Hope you guys enjoy the video.